Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to create a few layers in our ezdxf file and place different shapes on each of them. We'll separate the outer rectangle, the inner offset, and the grid lines so they are organized properly inside the drawing. Before drawing anything, we define the layers we want to use. In ezdxf, layers are created on the document using doc.layers.new. Here I'm creating 3 layers, one for the outer rectangle, one for the inner offset, and one for the grid lines. Each layer is given a name and a color using the ezdxf attributes argument. Here I'm creating the base rectangle with our function that we created before. After that, I assigned it to the outer layer. Every ezdxf entity has a .ezdxf property where its attributes are stored, and one of the attributes is the layer it belongs to. Next, I'm adding the grid lines. These are simple line entities that divide the rectangle into a 3x2 layout, 2 vertical lines and 1 horizontal line. After creating each line, I assign it to the grid layer using the same .ezdxf.layer property. If we look at the layer panel, we can see the 3 layers we created: outer, inner offset, and grid. When I toggle them on and off, you can see how each part of the drawing is separated. And that's it for this video. We created layers and assigned our entities to them to keep the drawing organized. And I'll see you on the next one.